Get ready for the next battle.
LTrainLocomotive versus Baconbits in that losers bracket. Lose here, go home.
Round one.
On the ship, across the ocean blue. Someone's gonna leave black and blue. Nice arc blast, L-Train. Oh, and the down for two. Baconbits, so bold in that tag. Feilong kicks. LTrainLocomotive with the lead. Up to Baconbits, even the scores. Oh, reverse hug. Again. L-Train holding on to that lead. Not making any major mistakes. Down 4-2 to seal the round up.
Round two. Fight.
Oh, not ready for the low. L-Train down on life now. Baconbits. Nice. It's a fight of the life lead, but here comes L-Train with the arc blast. Does so much damage. Lars. That is Lars for you. Back forward. Nice. Oh, wow. Back 1+2. That shoulder never seems to whiff. Again. Nice block from L-Train. And the tag. Swift little tag there.
Round three. Fight.
L-Train trying to find a way in. Running 3. Oh, I'm stuck there. Arc blast. Baconbits down on life. L-Train with the running 3. Nice. Punishing that lightning screw. Baconbits. Definitely not out of here. Trying to step away from the wall, put himself in a better position. And here comes the Dragon Tail. L-Train. Putting the pressure on. Almost picks up that combo. Jinpachi maybe I gained a few pounds. A reverse hug. Enough for the wall? No. He gets that punish. Nice Oki from Baconbits. Sealing a round up.
Round four. Fight.
Baconbits, wow, that hop kick. Dangerous. Doesn't block the low. 4-2. Nicely done from Baconbits. It's that tag assault combo. Tried for some Oki there. L-Train with the tag. Nullifies it. Just outside, but L-Train gets caught by the third hit. Trying for that down 4-2. Feilong kicks. No punish from L-Train. Baconbits. Here comes L-Train, just trying every move. No, say no to can-cans. L-Train. Oh, no back throw. LTrainLocomotive taking game 1.
Get ready for the next battle.
Into game 2 between Baconbits and LTrainLocomotive.
Round one. Fight.
L-Train seems to be all steamed up. Baconbits needs to turn on the fryer if he's going to have a chance on this one. Lightning screw, wow. Nice stomp. Baconbits in that Jinpachi. Wow, really? Uppercut. Reverse hug, not enough to get the combo. Ooh, a little bold there. Nice. Hits the wall splat. Baconbits. And the throw. Tag throws there. Baconbits with a few extra options, but here comes LTrain with a throw. LTrain with a lead. Nice. Baconbits. Want to take a round.
Round 2. Fight.
Wow, LTrain, run up throw. Baconbits. Got a round, but down on life in the second round. Hop kick, surprise. Baconbits to reach the wall. That Okazeme, nice. Pays off there. 3+4. Making use out of it. LTrain. Down on life. And here comes Janpachi. Oh, the orbital heel. Trying to reach the wall, making every nice break from Baconbits. Lightning screw, really. Up throw, broken. Wow. Baconbits looking strong. Nice. Down back 2. What a move to use. Baconbits up 2. Oh, making use of that 1+2. LTrain. Baconbits can't get started this round. Baconbits with that rage Pachi, but the LTrain don't care. Run up flip kick. And the throw. I gotta get a combo here. LTrain. Back 3. That's what you get for stepping. Arc blast. Surprise. Catching him in the spacing. LTrain. Pushing through the wall. Shoulder. Lightning screw. A little risky there. Baconbits with the rage Pachi. Trying to find a wall splat there. LTrain beats him up with a lightning screw. Working on a perfect. Oh, not anymore. He wants that poke. 4-2. Baconbits doing a whole lot of damage. Oh, surprise punch. Teleport punch. Oh, not enough on the backswing blow. Baconbits so close. LTrain. Down 4-2. Nice in the back. Nicely done, Baconbits. Pushing it into the final game.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight.
LTrainLocomotive versus Baconbits. Final game between these two. He loses bracket. So the loser is out. Oh, nice down 4-2. Punishing that orbital heel. Baconbits looking pretty strong. Thanks for the follow, Gennaro. Nice. Cut him off that dragon sweep. And the throw, broken. Nice. Does both down 4-2. Headbutt, tag throw. Try for that back 3. Looking for a bait there, Baconbits. Oh, not quite. Caught him in the air, LTrain. Dropping the combo. Here comes Baconbits with his own down 4-2. Just outside on the combos. Rainbow kicks. Cartwheel away. Baconbits trying to hold the lead. 10 seconds. Gonna make a huge mistake here with LTrain. Nice, 3+4. Baconbits taking a round, up 1. 2 rounds away. The counter doesn't pick it up. And again, he got that one. Baconbits should reach the wall. Oh, almost dropped the combo there. LTrain, not looking so good, but he does have a Rage Large with the Arc Blast. Here we go. A stomp. Try for some Oki there. Lightning Screw. It was all part of the plan.
Round 3. Fight.
Ooh, good mix up there from Baconbits. Nice. The inner strength. Reaching the wall. Baconbits with the Rage, or the Jinpachi. Slide mix up from LTrain. Spacing. Looking for a moment. LTrain probably more than Baconbits. Baconbits with a life lead. Oh, in the back 3. LTrain should have known it was coming. One downstairs. In the tag. Interesting. Forced the tag there. 4-2. Baconbits looking strong against LTrain. The slide mix-ups. Couldn't get away. Again. That flip kick. A little dangerous. It's back 2. Baconbits trying to hold the lead. And the throw. Not much LTrain can do. But hope for. Nice. Escape from Baconbits. 1 round away. LTrain with the pick up. And the wall. Shoulder. Oh, a little dangerous there. LTrain willing to risk it though. Try for the throw. No. Lightning Screw on Jinpachi. Gets the combo. Wow, the evasion. Who knew Jinpachi could evade around? LTrain picking it up steam. Oh, gets caught by the counter. Baconbits not done. Got the fire at full blast. And the throw broken. Nice back 3. LTrain forced the tag crash. Baconbits, nice hop kick. Caught that Dragon Tail in its tracks. Nicely done, Baconbits.